Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome in How to Perform Umrah and Hajj video series by AM Baloj from Mufakirin. Episode number 7, Flying First Time. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, or hit the thumbs down button if you don't like this video. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move to the main episode. This is an episode for those brothers and sisters who never flown before in the airline. If you have already traveled in the airline, then you can skip this episode. But if you want to watch for general knowledge, you can continue. So let's start the episode 7, Flying First Time. The sequence of your journey will be departure, and then your luggage scanning at the airport. It will be a security check, then checking in, immigration, then security check, then you will be waiting at the gates, you will be boarding, then you will be in the plane, you will arrive, and then there will be a immigration at the arrival in Saudi Arabia. Then you will go for baggage claims, you will scan your luggage, and there will be a security check as well. Once you come out, then you are out of the airport inside the Saudi Arabia. So let's discuss these step by step, where I can explain you how you will move and how you will travel first time in the airline. So this is the departure. When you are coming to to your local airport, you will see international departures. Go from that gate inside the international departures. There will be a big scanning machine. People sitting there, they will guide you to put your luggage in that machine. So that machine will take the luggage inside. They will do the x-ray to check that there's no prohibited item in your luggage, and there is a security gate, metal detector gate. So you will pass from that. Your luggage will be passing the x-ray scan. You will pass from the metal detector. And the officer standing there will do a physical check on you, so you are not hiding something in your clothes or on your body. Once you are clear from the security, you will move to the ticketing check-in area. You will find lot of big screens, are like a big TV type screens. So see which airline is your. You will find all possible airlines, mentioning their names on the screens, and the flight numbers will be mentioned on each screen. So your ticket will tell you that let's say it's your PIA flight, or it's a Saudi airline flight, or it's a Umrah airline flight, whatever the flight. So you can go for that section of that airline. And if you don't know, you just ask people there. They will guide you to go in which row. And then the officer will check your ticket, they will check your passport, your visa, and then they will take your luggage in the luggage section, and they will, whatever, if you have a small baggage to in hand carry, which you will carry with you, you keep that with you, and they will give you a pass which is called a boarding pass. This check-in hall will look like this one. So you see there people are standing at the PIA section. That's how you will go and submit your luggage, and you will get a boarding pass after showing your ticket and identification. So this will be a sample boarding pass. You will get a boarding pass like this, which will mention your seat number, the time of departure, the gate number, etc. So the next stage is you have to move to the immigration. You see on the left side on the screen, the people are standing, and the immigration officers are checking their visa, and they will put the exit stamps on their passport. So you get a immigration clearance from here, and then will be immigration check on the next step, where this lady officer is checking in this picture. So there will be officers there who will check that your documents are correct and you have got the exit stamped on your visa. Once you come from there will be a final checkup, security check. So they check you, and then immediately you come out. You will in most airlines you will find a duty-free shops, and from there you look for the signage of the gates. So your boarding pass will mention the zone number and the gate number. So see in this boarding pass, let me see which is the gate number. Okay, so if you see the down, and there's a mention gate 25 above the economy. So you will find the gate number mentioned on your boarding pass. So once you know your gate number, you head towards your gate number. So there will be a electric elevators. You can use those elevators, or you can just walk by. When you are walking from these elevators, go further, and then you will find the sign of your board. So there will be a seating area. Just be seated there until they will make an announcement. All the people sitting there will make a queue. That's the right time. You also make a queue, and then they will move you. So there will be a covered area inside the tunnel type area, which will lead towards the aeroplane, which will look like this one. So you will be going inside this one. Sometimes see, this is attaching to the aeroplane. This is the inside view. So you will move it. It's a clear moving area. Sometimes they will do direct boarding on the plane. So if they are doing, then they will take you in bus or some other transport and take you near to the airport, and then you can directly sit on the aeroplane, depending on the situation. But most probably they will be boarding from that indoor tunnel. And then this is how the aeroplane will look like. Usually the Hajj planes are the bigger planes, so they will have a multiple seats. There are the row of seats, and at the back there are entertainment monitors. Some airlines have, some may not have, but this is how it will look like. So in the middle or from either side there will be a walking area, so you can walk, and on the upside you will find the seat number. So your boarding pass will have your seat number, like in this case, if it's a 12DEF. So if your seat is 12D or 12E or 12F, you will find this, and you have to sit there. If you don't know, there will be an air host for helping, so you just ask and they will accommodate you in your proper seat. Some airlines may have this type of marking, and they will also mention which it is on window. Like here the A is window, B is the center, and the C is aisle. So you will find, you can find the window seat with the little window sign. So in this one the A has a window, and other side the F has a window. Sometimes people prefer to sit on the window and they are curious. So just to let you know that how you can find if your seat is a window seat or not. And this is the luggage hand carry compartment just on above your seat. So you place your luggage in the compartment and then sit on your seat. You have to put a seat belt when you are sitting. Seat belt, you take this one plug and put it inside, then stretch the rope so it will tie it. When you want to open, you just take this plug like this one up, and then your seat belt will open. There will be a signage on the seat belts. You see here are two signs. No smoking sign is activated, and the seat belt sign is activated. When there is a no seat belt sign is switched off, you can take out your seat belts. but it's advisable to keep seat belts on all the time for your security. If you want to go to the washroom, they call it lavatory. You will find that some airlines have a red color or orange color, some have a green color, and when they are busy they will turn red, otherwise they will remain green. So you will find on one side it's for females, on other side is a male. So you just look at the picture which side is for male and which is female, and then you can go and use lavatory or washroom there. This is the airlines washroom. It's a very congested place, so be careful, because you can get your ihram dirty so quickly. So it's advisable to avoid using washroom in the airline, but you can use at airport or when you reach to your hotel. These are some of the functions. So you see the air conditioner options. You can plug screw up and right and left to make the AC adjustment, making more air condition, or just switching it off. And then there's a light, and then other button is for calling the help if you want. And when you reach to the Saudi Arabia, you will be brought into the arrival area. There will be a big hall. There people will be standing. You will just look for the baggage claim. There will be signboards for baggage claim. You follow those, and then you will reach to this the arrival halls. So when you are in the arrival hall, you will see the immigration. Depending on if you are coming on the new Jeddah airport, or you are coming to the old Hajj terminal, or you are landing in Medina, depend on your flight. But no matter which place you are coming, it will look like similar. This is the new Jeddah airport. This is the old Hajj terminal, and in old Hajj terminal they will take you from the plane and then put you in the buses, and then they will leave you near the hall. But in the new airport, you will directly come inside directly from the tunnel to the airport. So you have to find this baggage claim, and there will be conveyor belt which will be moving all the baggage. So you go and find your bag, take the bag and come. You will also, when you will land at the Jeddah airport or in the Medina airport, they will check for your health cards. Their health officials will be there to see that you have a vaccination, everything done from your country. So keep your certificate ready to show them. And then this is the immigration passport control and baggage claim signs you can see. So you will be waiting in the line, and the officers will check your visa, passport, identification, and then they will allow you to enter, and then go and collect your bags. So here is the bags. If you are a little bit late, that the people will take these bags down, and they will be, all bags will be down. You just go and find. The airline will give you some tag which will mention the number of your bag. So you can find the other part of the tag on your bag and match those numbers, so you can find if you're not remembering which bag, because there are a lot of similar bags many people bring, so sometimes it gets confusing. So you can identify from the number tag. Take out your bag and then go for the security scanning. They will scan all your luggage here, and then you are out. Your organizer will arrange a transportation. Buses probably will be standing outside where they will put your luggage. You'll sit inside, and then they take you to the hotel wherever they have organized the stay for you. That's it. Thank you very much. If you like this episode, then hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like, then hit the thumbs down button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. And till then, see you in the next episode. Have a great time. Ma salama.